Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add and insert hashtags to your bachelorette party on the BACH application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen, and then you should scroll down a bit, and here you can find the add party hashtag section. So tap on it and start typing in the hashtags. After that, click on this arrow pointing to the right side and click on the done button, and then it will be added to your bachelorette party's description box. If you want to edit it, just tap on it again and feel free to add more hashtags like this. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.